Hello again. The words of this song, "Come My Little Son," were written by Ewan MacColl back in the late 50s. And the song is mainly associated with the wonderful voice of Luke Kelly. Now I'm playing it in the key of D, and there are only 3 chords. So if the key of D is too low for you, of course, obviously you can put a capo on to move it up a half step each time. But the chords in the key of D are as follows anyway. D major and G major. I'm playing this full G major chord, which is fretting 4 strings, fretting the 1st and 2nd string here. You don't have to use that, but it's a very easy chord when you're playing D to transition to G. The 3rd finger is already in position. But if you prefer to use the 3-fingered G, obviously is fine as well. So we've got D and G major and A major. The song is in slow 3/4 time, and I have 2 suggestions for your playing. One is the finger picking pattern, which we're going to look at, and I also have included a strum pattern, simple strum pattern, and there are 2 practice files you can play along with them. So let's look at the finger picking pattern first, and again it's 3/4 time, so the pattern is 1 and 2 and 3, and we're picking a string for each of those. 1 and 2 and 3, and that's for D major. The thumb is picking the 4th string, that's the root note, that's the name of the chord, the name of the note D. Then second string, 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string. So we've got the 4th string, 2nd, 3rd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. And the fingers I'm using to pick those: 2nd finger for the 2nd string, 1st finger for the 3rd string, and 3rd finger for the 1st string. Your fingers actually automatically rest really in that position anyway. So 1 and 2 and 3 and that's for the D major chord. For the G chord, the only thing that changes is the 1 beat, and that's going to change to the 6th string because that's the name of the note G. My fingers pick the same pattern: 2nd, 3rd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd. So we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and the A chord, the only thing changes again is the 1st note, and that's, we're picking the 5th string, that note is A. 1 and 2 and 3 and. So D, G, 1 and 2 and 3 and A, 1 and 2 and 3 and. A quick look at the strum pattern I'm using then, if you prefer to strum along. Again, for the 3/4 strum pattern it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The emphasis on the 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So to complete the pattern, I'm doing an up strum after the 2nd and 3rd beats. 1,